Hello, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. So today we are discuss again part 3, that is how you can protect your account from terminated and suspended. So today's we discuss theory book niche. So first of all, the 2-minute journal for kids. So here the book review is already higher. So the 3-minute journal, 2-minute journal, and 5-minute journal and 5-minute journal, these are also fully trademark product. So you do not work this 3 type of journal: 2-minute journal, 3-minute journal, and 5-minute journal. If you work these 3 books, 2-minute journal, 3-minute journal, and 5-minute journal, your account permanently suspended. Your account permanently terminate permanently. So you do not so I request you to stay away from this product, because of this author must be report with you, must be report against from you, must be report against with you. So you do not work this 3 type of journal. So next one is you cannot word fun activities book, because this fun activities books for kids, these 2 words very dangerous, very dangerous for puzzle book. Suppose the ultimate, the ultimate puzzle, the ultimate puzzle. Here this book uses jambu related word. This book use jambu related word, and here when you can choose any book theme, book title, you can see on the book cover this highlights word, any signature type word, any logo type word, or sign and stylish word, then you do not work this type of product. Here highlights is a signature type word, so you do not work ultimate puzzle challenge. If you use this type of word and this type of if you work this type of book, your account must be suspended. So I earnest request you to stay away from this product, and easily you can save your account. So these tips and tricks you can use when you work on Amazon KDP and save your account from terminate. And our next one is when we another book is 100 mandala coloring book. So 100 mandala coloring book, this is a very risky product. This is very risky product, and this is very risky product because the hair 100 mandala coloring book, 100 mandala coloring book. This is very risky product. This author uses this concept 100 mandalas coloring book, and uses stress relieving and relaxation. These two words, stress relieving and relaxation for adult, these two words, stress relieving and relaxation, these two words, you will mention your title, your account will be terminated. So stress relieving and 100 mandalas and relaxation, these words you cannot use your book. You cannot use your book. If you can use this word, your account will be permanently suspended. So be careful. And so our last one is the unicorn coloring book. So unicorn coloring book, when you can work unicorn coloring book, and when you take title and subtitle, please you can use only unicorn coloring book, not whole subtitle. You cannot copy whole subtitle, because a few title and subtitle, author can include author name, that is silly bear. This is author name. So you cannot use same to same subtitle in your book. So be careful when you take out, when you copy another author title, subtitle. So you can carefully copy title and subtitle, because author name and brand name, company names will include subtitle. So silly bear is a famous author name. So you do not use this type of word. Your account, if you use this word, your account must be terminated. So be careful. If you have liked my videos, so please to subscribe my channel, and and hit that notification bell icon when I can actually share my new videos. You get notification from me. So thank you so much. Thank you all.